Welcome to Science by PK. Today we're talking about uranium, a real-life super metal that's powerful, mysterious, and used for both helpful and scary things. But don't worry, we'll keep it simple and fun. Uranium is a heavy metal that lives inside rocks in the ground. Imagine a shiny, heavy pebble that grows with tiny, invisible energy. That's uranium. People dig it out of the earth, and scientists use it for special jobs. There are two kinds of uranium, like two cookie types. Uranium is mostly one kind, a little bit of another. Think of them like two cookie flavors in a jar. Uranium-238, the big one, common cookie. In most of the jars, it's this one. Uranium-235. It's a tiny, rare cookie, only a few pieces in this jar, but it's the one with the superpower. The superpower of uranium-235 is that when its center, its nucleus, is hit, it can split apart and release a lot of energy, kind of like a tiny fireworks show. That energy can be turned into heat, and that heat can boil water to make steam. Steam spins giant turbos that spin and makes electricity for homes and schools. Uranium helps in ways that make our lives better. Electricity. Nuclear power plants use uranium to make lots of electricity without burning coal or oil. Medicine. Some medicines at hospital machines use tiny amounts of stuff made from uranium to find and treat sicknesses. Science. Scientists use uranium to study about Earth's history because it can help date very old rocks. Because uranium has a lot of energy, it can also be dangerous. It's radioactive, which means it can give off invisible rays that can hurt living things if not handled carefully. Long ago, humans learned how to use uranium's energy in bombs, something very scary and dangerous. That's why uranium is watched closely by governments around the world. People who work with uranium wear special suits, use strong containers, and follow strict rules. Scientists and engineers make sure it's kept safe so it helps people without hurting them. So uranium is a heavy metal, a rare superstar piece that can make lots of energy. Used the right way, it helps make electricity, medicine, and help for learning science. Used in the wrong way, it can be very dangerous, like in nuclear bombs. That's why we need to learn about it, respect it, and a lot of care. If you like this quick tour of uranium, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and I'll see you guys in the next one.